Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. Another week is here for savings challenges. I swap them around each week, so this week it's back again with the mini money matters. I love these challenges so much. I would like to try and complete one, at least one today. I'm off to a women's retreat on Sunday, so I'll be away for a few days. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to pre-record any, if I get a chance to. If not, then I won't be uploading any videos for a few days, but I'll just wait and see how that goes. I've got £140 here this week. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40. Right, and we will start with the mini money binder. For the woodlands, I would like to complete this today. Each icon is £5, so it would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, £55. I really want to complete this today, so I'll get that coloured in quickly. Just so you know, just mark these off. That's 5. Colour his belly in.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and 55.
Right, so let me see if I've got any change for that. So what did I say? 55, 20, 40, 60. And I'll just take 5 out, so we've got that. Great, so that one's done. I'm happy with that because I just like finishing up. Right, the fruit salad is going to get a £5 today. That's for fruit salad. I will do a pear. £5, and it all goes into one envelope. So that's done for today. And then I'm going to do £5 for adventure awaits. I will do a Ferris wheel. That's £5. So let's just leave that there and go on to the other one, the next one, and it's the sweets. The sweets. Let me do an orange for the sweets, a bright orange. I'm going to use the wrapper ends, each end as £5, so I'll colour in the 2 ends. So that means this sweetie has been coloured in and paid for, so that's 10. Great. Also, we're done with this one. The rest of them are all completed, so we're done with these ones for today. And I should just write completed here. And I'll put that to the back another time. That goes into here. Okay, now we have the wafty, and I will do the pink. So I'm putting £10 in Each letter is £2. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. There we go. That's 10 for wafty wafty. And let me just give it a quick wafty wafty. Doesn't really dry very well, so that's why it's all inked up on the envelope. There we go. Let's put the £10 in there. And then we've got the 50. I'm going to do the green. I'm going to do £10. I'm going to leave this out for a bit because it's only going to ruin my envelopes, and I don't want them to spend a lot of time making these ones. You know, the see-through ones with just the laminate tin sheets, and I don't want them inked up. I can use acetone to remove the ink off of these ones. Right, save 200 is getting 10 as well. I've just been colouring the corner. At least I know I've coloured in 2 already, or marked off 2. Okay, so the next one is the Leaf of Faith, and that's going to get 10 as well. Put that there, and I'll colour green. Right. Yeah, as I was saying, these envelopes are so time consuming. I don't know how the sellers manage in large quantities. They are fun to make, but constantly making them, I don't think it's my cup of tea. Right, so I'll be saving the money is getting 10 as well, and I'll just mark off a 10 here. I'll take that one out as well. As I said, I don't want my envelopes getting ruined. Took me long enough to make them. I'll do 5 for the thank you piggies. Let me just try and get some change. Right, I'm back. So the little piggies are going to get, the thank you piggies are going to get £5. And I have not taken out the binder for this week's watermelon, so I'm going to do that. Thank you, piggy. Lovely. My mind is on other things at the moment, getting away. That would be so nice. That's going to be really nice. Let's save 200, and then we've got the 50 here. And then the owls. So that's the tree of life, and then we've got the owls. So that is that for the Mini Money Matters binder. And then we've got £15 left, and that's going to my August one. That's going to my slices of melon. And we've got the red already, and let's get the green. So £15 goes to 3 slices. Back in a minute. I'm really pleased with this. I mean, some days are better than others when it comes to colouring, but I think I've done these watermelon slices really well. And here's her £15. And that is me for another week. £140 stuffed to the exact amount. Thank you so much for being here, and if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when I upload my new videos. That was a mouthful, wasn't it? I like saying it. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now. Bye.